Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be swatching the new Holo Taco Holo Royalty Shimmering Secrets collection. Set? Bundle? I don't really know what it's called. Anyways, it is a 4-piece collection and it contains a really nice bag you can actually use to travel with. I will definitely be using it as like a little makeup bag. I don't particularly bring polishes with me when I'm traveling, but it might be nice to store some nail files in there as well. So here are the 4 colors. It didn't really came in like a limited edition box. It's more of like a bundle, so it comes in their regular shipping boxes, the black ones with the black foam inside. So there are 4 new shades. Those go for $14 like individually if you decide to only get maybe 1 or 2 or 3. And of course the bundle or set is already sold out. I just saw this today. It is Saturday the 27th of April. It is actually King's Day here in the Netherlands while editing this video, but the set is already sold out, but you can still get them separately. The set was actually discounted to $67, so that was pretty nice. So let's just start off the swatches, and since I've been gone for a couple of weeks and I'm not quite sure if I will be back regularly with full like lengthy videos like this every Sunday, I just decided to paint not only my left hand nails but also my right hand nails. So you will be getting more swatches in this video than I usually do. Usually I just swatch on my thumbnail, but for now I'm going to paint all of my nails. So this first color is called Inside Job, and I'm just swatching these in a very random order. There's like no really reason behind it why I chose this one first. But it is a really beautiful, kind of like a jelly base, medium purple, super glittery polish. It contains definitely a ton of different sized and shapes of holographic glitter. You can see the big square ones, you can see the really finely milled holographic shimmer, but there is like some medium sized glitter in there as well. Of course it is a glitter polish, so they are a little bit more hard to remove afterwards. If you want to switch up your manicure, I would definitely recommend to just soak it off with a little bit of nail polish remover and some cotton rounds and just really let that work on the nail. But yeah, they do dry really fast, which means you can really have a super fast manicure, especially if you are on the go. It is quite nice because they dry really fast. You can pretty much go into the second coat really fast as well. So yeah, I had to say I was quite surprised with how opaque this was with just 2 coats. I expected it to still be really sheer, but since there are so many glitters and shimmers and the whole shebang in this one, it is actually quite opaque and just very packed on glitter wise. Oh, and for the record, if you hear like weird background noises, I have like some soft music on at Aeon's little like playpen where he's napping in at the moment. That is why I'm actually able to record this voiceover and edit this video. But also one of my cats has been sneezing. I feel like he has a slight cold, so he's kind of like walking around my computer setup. So if you hear like weird sneezing as well, that is one of my cats. Don't worry, he's totally fine. He's just an elderly cat who has a little cold at the moment. But next up, I'm showing you this next color already. This one is called Blush Money. It is so stunning. I'm really obsessed with this one, as you might have figured, because it is pink. It has beautiful holographic glitter and shimmer in there. And pink and glitter is one of my favorite things, or are 2 of my favorite things, I have to say. So yeah, I can't wait to show you the swatch of this one, because it is a bit of a lighter pink color, and once again it's kind of like a jelly-ish pigmented base, so it is a little bit more sheer. You definitely need a second coat, but if you are into a sheer jelly look like this, definitely go for just 1 coat. Like, do your thing. There are no rules to nail polish and nail art in my opinion, so if you feel like you want to rock it with 1 coat, definitely do so. And for something really random, but I really want to put it out there, I just really wanted to thank you guys for my little leave at the moment. I'm taking like a spring break, and it's not that I don't want to make videos anymore or anything like that. It is just that life is really busy. I'm working 3 days a week. The other 4 days I'm pretty much like full-time mom. So yeah, life gets in the way of recording and doing stuff like hobby like. I'm definitely not complaining, like being a mom is definitely what I've been made for. I'm the most happiest I've ever been just simply taking care of my baby and just watching him grow. He's actually 4 months already. It's insane. Like, seriously, how does it happen? How does he grow up so fast? Like, what the F, you know? But he's so sweet. Aeon is like the cutest little blonde baby, and I'm actually not sharing his face online and stuff like that, but if you want to see some little like snippets behind the scenes, like daily life stuff, definitely check out my Instagram. My handle and such is always in the description box. So yeah, if you are a mom as well, or maybe you're a grandma already, or maybe even a father or a granddad, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always really curious to hear about that and to interact with you guys as well. But yeah, I have already like finished swatching the Blush Money one. It is completely opaque, or at least 95% opaque within 2 coats. The next one, on the other hand, is a 1-coater. This one is called Teal No Lies, and it is kind of like, if I think about mermaids, I think about this color. It is really gorgeous. It's like a green, blue, teal, shimmery goodness. It is so opaque, it is insane. I really feel like it has a very dark pigmented base, and there's just a shit ton of glitter, or not glitter, like shimmer in here. It's very pigmented. That said, make sure that if you use this on your own natural nails, to really back it up with a good base. For me, I just used the regular like base coat by Holo Taco on forehand. Not because I need it, but just to have something that the nail polish can actually grab onto, since I do have a very thin gel polish base and gel polish top coat overlay on my own natural nails. So yeah, my nails can be quite slippery, which makes it a little hard for regular nail polishes to stick onto. So that is why I actually applied the Holo Taco base on forehand. Here I'm going in with the second coat already. It definitely isn't necessary to go in with the second coat, but I just feel like it's such a gorgeous color, and I swatched all of the other shades for 2 coats as well, that I was like, okay, I'm just gonna slap on the other layer. Even though it's definitely not necessary, like the first coat is completely opaque already. This is such a gorgeous color. If you are into blues, greens, like teal kind of colors, definitely check this one out, because as I mentioned already, like, I can't say this enough, it is opaque AF. I really like it. The 4th and final color from this like little collection, bundle, set, however you want to call it, is called Spyglass. This one also has beautiful holographic shimmer in there, but there is like a bluish, purplish, almost pinkish kind of sheen to it as well. There's a lot of pigment in this color, but even though it is a lighter shade, it is a little bit on the sheer side within that first coat, but nothing that a second coat can't fix. Of course, don't judge a polish by its first coat, because usually like 9 out of 10 times it actually comes out completely fine and completely opaque within the second layer. But as you can see here, it's a little sheer. It's not too bad. I expected it to be way more sheer than it actually is on that first coat, but it is such a nice light blue base with that beautiful bluish, purplish, a little bit of pinkish sheer, like shimmeriness going in there. I don't know. I really like this color. Once again, it's a little bit more light, but I think it fits in perfectly with the season that we're in. It's spring, and I don't know, I like it. It's kind of like lavender, periwinkle. I don't know, it's a little bit like a nice mix of those, like right in the middle of those. It's gorgeous. I like it a lot. But yeah, I'm just really excited to just be able to sit down, record this video in one go without being interrupted, edit this video and the voiceover in one go without being interrupted, and I'm just really happy in life. Let's just put it at that. But yeah, this second coat, as you can see here, you can really see that blue purplish shimmer sheerness going on in there. Gorgeous. I love it a lot. So yeah, this one was Spyglass. It is the fourth and final color. Like, these colors were all picked by Holo Taco royalty members, like I am myself as well. I've actually totally filled in the survey too. So yeah, maybe the pink is because I really was focusing on pinks, you know? I don't know. But yeah, these were all of the colors. I really hope you liked me swatching these on both of my hands, so you can really have a full-on overview. My nails are pretty much all the same length at the moment as well, so that was a nice plus. Yeah, let me know what you think about these colors. Have you gotten this set yourself too, or maybe just a couple of colors, or maybe just one? Let me know in the comments section down below. As well, let me know which one is your favorite. I really love the pink, but then again, all of the 4 shades are really gorgeous and really unique, super glittery and shimmery. I love it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time.